Now when there is so many positioning, there is this complication of what comes above the other. So I'll show you an example. We had this cat, right? See what other images we have. We have something called small dot gif. This is not small as we see. Let's say this cat itself. Let me make this 50 pixels. 50 pixels. Let me increase it a bit. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, so something after that, let's say we have a h1 tag. Now this h1 tag, I'm gonna say so this comes later. What if I do, let's say h1 tags, position absolute, and see what happens. So this is here. Now I could say z index equal to -1. So when I say z index is -1, this value goes behind. So by default, all the elements have a z index of 0. So what is z index? You know x-axis and you know y-axis. So vertical and horizontal. That's something there. But z-axis is something that goes deep, like not, I mean, is x and y. Z is a third dimension space. So that says which should be in the front and which should be in the back. Now if I say z index is 1, yeah, this is in the front. We will try more examples with that. So z index makes sure you wanna bring the elements to the front or the back. So if you give -1, it goes to the back. You could even give -1 to, I mean, a number of minus values. When you have like more elements, so you want to increase those numbers. I have a red box. Blue and green. I'm just gonna remove the z index here. So the width, let this be 800 pixels. Background color can be red. Border 1 pixel solid black. Likewise, there is also blue box and green box. I hope you understand what I'm trying to do here. Let me also give a height. because without any content we don't get to see anything. Now look at it. Now I have these three divs which is called red box, blue box and green box, all inside one container. Now this container is pretty much relative and I have absolute values to it. Now I said top 10 pixels, so this is top 10 pixel from here, and then left 100 pixels. Likewise, this is 200 pixels for the blue, and the green is 300 pixels. Now height of each div is 100 pixels. So see what is happening. Now you have these documents, these div elements one after the other. So when it comes one after the other, this goes behind. This is first, right? The next comes on top of it and the third comes on top of it. Now, if you want to move something around, let's say you want to take this blue behind, you could do this. Now blue goes all the way back to the red. I think even before, behind the static position. So if you want to bring it to the front, then z index is 1. So when you say 1, it comes to the front. Let's say what happens when you say 0. Okay, so 0 is the default value. So right now you could use things like, say this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. See, blue is 1, green is 2, and red is 3. Blue, green, and red. So you can order these images too. So without Z index, the divs or the elements will go on top of another. So that's how it will work.